Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can export mobile devices list in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. There are often times when the IT admin needs a list of all mobile devices in Google Workspace. Google Admin Console does not have this option. So how to export mobile devices? There should be a way to do this. Foresight is a great tool that helps get this task done without coding fast and efficiently. Moreover, it has a lot of other features. Let's see how Foresight exports mobile devices list. The simple scenario that we are going to do is exporting a list of mobile devices and sending to the manager via email. Now follow these steps. Rule creation. Step 1. Log into Foresight with Google Admin account. Go to the rule page and click the new rule button. Step 2. Select the manual trigger. Step 3. Select the List Mobile Devices action. First, you may need to grant permission to Foresight in the Google Workspace account. After granting permissions, the status is changed to Access Granted. Here you need to select some fields. The first field is Columns. Select the columns you want. The next two fields are related to sorting. We will leave them as they are. The following field is User Primary Email. Enter a specific user primary email to get devices related to that user. We will leave that empty. The last field is Last Policy Sync. Here you can select a date range and get the devices synced in that specific date range. We will leave that empty too. Now, scroll up and click Add Next Action and select Email Action. Enter the manager's email, subject, and message body. In the message body, type double opening curly braces and you will see the variables list. Select Mobile Devices, Download CSV link. Now, click Review. Step 4. Enter the rule name and click Create. As you can see, the rule has been created. Triggering the rule. Step 5. Now click on the play icon to trigger the rule. Verifying results. A notification will appear in the top right corner. Click on it and then click Show All to see the logs page. You can also go to the logs page from the left sidebar. As you can see, the rule is triggered successfully. Also, the managers got the emails with the downloadable link to the mobile devices list. Foresight is truly a handy tool for Google admins and users that makes their routine work fast and efficient.